Welcome! In our last video, we used a Python turtle to draw a circle based on the parametric equation of a circle. In this video, we will use Matplotlib instead of the Python turtle to draw a circle. The procedure is very similar, but this time we are taking advantage of Matplotlib's plot function. This will allow us to eliminate several steps, including creating an instance of the Python turtle class, writing a for loop that draws a line from one ordered pair to the next, and hiding the turtle. Let's step through the demonstration to see how Matplotlib draws the circle on a graph. As we step through the lines, check the variables window at the bottom of the screen to see what the program is generating. We start by importing NumPy and the Matplotlib libraries on lines 2 and 3. As before, NumPy is used for the linspace, pi, cosine, and sine functions. Matplotlib will generate the grid, set the axes, plot the data from the arrays, and display the results. On lines 5 and 7, we assign the values to the parametric variables r for radius and n for the number of intervals. Notice that this time we describe the variables as edges in the comment line, since they represent the edges of a regular polygon. The program draws a circle as a regular polygon with many edges, enough to create a smooth appearance. Our parametric variables are global, meaning they apply to the whole program, and they are integers. On line 9, we generate the array for t, or theta, as we did with the Python turtle, using linspace, a starting point of 0, an ending point of 2 pi, and n+1 elements. On lines 11 and 12, we generate the x and y arrays as functions of theta, multiplying the radius by the cosine of theta for x and the sine of theta for y. Lines 14 to 17 use Matplotlib functions to generate the plot. We set the axes to equal on line 14 and create a grid with default properties on line 15. The plot command on line 16 generates all of the ordered pairs that will be used to plot the circle, using data from the x and y arrays. The calculations are done in the background, so we only see a message in our variable window that the module has been called. And finally, on line 17, the plt.show command displays our graph and the circle. We have used the parametric equation of a circle to break down a function into logical steps. Computer programs have been used for decades to take the tedious work out of math. Try breaking down other functions into steps, using NumPy functions such as linspace to generate plot points and Matplotlib to display the results. Notice we also replaced our turtle for loop with a single plt.plot command. Modules simplify our work as programmers, and there are many modules available for Python. See you in the next video.